What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got to take a little bit of a road trip. I told you previously about my built rear end. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the chrome ponies are leaving. As sad as I am to say that, because I wanted those for a long time and I finally found them. But obviously the car is going to be 5-lug with Cobra brakes and all that, so I can't use my Pony R's, but they are going to a very good home, which we are headed there now, and picking up a fully built 8.8 C-clip eliminators, 373 gears, 31 spline axles, Auburn differential. Like, it is done. It's even got the spherical bushings at the axle. So yeah, head down there, get this rear end. Ken,
what?
Are you gonna ride with me?
I don't know,
dude.
He going that way?
Somebody's got to ride with me.
Well, why don't Philip load up his springs and his struts in the car? We're going through Henderson. We'll stop at Henderson. We'll put the springs on at the shop, and we'll bring it back.
Yes, let's do that.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Philip, load it up.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, for reason.
So guys,
let's get this done.
Huh?
Yes.
instead of injury.
Okay, so as you can plainly see, Philip's car is still here. It's still tore apart if you caught the last upload. The spring compressors we had just were not going to work. It's not going to happen. So we are on the way down to get my rear end. We're going to stop, compress, and swap his springs, make this happen. So let's do it. And I absolutely had to shout out Dover. He finally. He got rid of all the death and put some exhaust on it, so the truck is sounding epic. But it sounds really good.
Stop that.
It's that turbo life, you know. You're living that turbo life. But anyway, we're fixing to load up.
I thought he was just grabbing the man's truck up, you know.
Well, we're listening to the turbo, dude. It's that turbo life.
I love turbo.
I know.
So he don't pay attention. That's what
all right, everybody.
I'm so busy, man. It's just one of those things.
All right, everybody, get in the truck.
You got nuts. You got everything loaded up.
Got everything.
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 I think it's just bad $50,000 truck out here.
Yeah, watch that $50,000 truck.
Bend this truck now.
Yeah, right. All right, so got an hour and a half drive. Go get this rear end. We're gonna stop and get Philip's strut squared away. New H&R sport springs replaced with BMRs or whatever these S550 dudes run. I don't know. All right, guys. So here we go.
So I have discovered after a short ride, I'm hijacking your camera.
Okay.
I have discovered that after a short ride with Caleb that we might be in trouble. Just saying.
No. Okay, guys. As usual, when you're rolling in a what was that? Anyway, Philip is back there trolling on Ken. And so Ken's definitely gonna have to lay the smack down on him.
Dude, I've already drug his tail.
Oh, God.
I went to Foxcast myself and Slow Addict 731. That's what you do.
Philip is seriously trolling right now. Ken, what are we gonna have to do?
Well,
with
I've already drug him once. I'm trying to drag him again. This time, This time, I'm gonna throw a rope back there and tie him onto my car so he can go down the track a little faster.
Ken, you know what you need to do? Or actually, Philip, before you go trolling on Ken, you want to make sure he actually changes your springs out first.
Right.
Yep, that is key.
Because Ken, on the way, might forget how to change your springs out. And then what's going to happen?
Can't have that.
No, he can't have that. Anyway, yeah, so we're on the road. We're headed to get that built rear end. Traffic sucks. It's like 100 degrees out. But I get to listen to Philip troll Ken. Right?
Facebook.
Yep. All right, onward and upwards.
So we're sitting here. He locks us out of the truck. Then he also has the keys. So we're sitting here in a hot truck while he's inside.
Sweating her balls off. So look at him. He just thinks he's cool. Look at him. He thinks he's cool.
He does not treat us well.
Oh yeah, we gotta have the cameras. Dude, I love it. And the wicked 4-eye. That's too cool. Way too cool. Alright guys, so got the wheels unloaded, and of course here is rear end. Ready to rock and roll. Moser axles, C-clip eliminators, spherical bushings. I mean, it is locked and loaded and ready to go. And of course, everybody's drooling over the collection out here. Donnie, you've seen Donnie's cars on the channel many a time, but my God. Whew. Beautiful. I definitely gotta say the electric red is the favorite. Killer Fox collection. And then of course, got the 500 out here.
This is what I need, guys. Right?
The 500's working with a pretty big stick, right?
Oh yes, 18 pounds of boost, VMP blower.
Oh shit.
7/8 Cook long tubes.
Yeah, so she's locked and loaded. Oh yeah. Badass. 500 making a little noise. Damn. Yes, the 500 makes some noise, but more than that, this is a little more me right here. Alright guys, a little GT500 two-step. See what's up here. Okay, I'm officially deaf. Alright guys, so success, we got it. Looky there, baby. C-clip eliminators. 31 spline Moser axles. It's either an Auburn or a Detroit True Track, a diff, spherical axle bushings. The rear end is handled. It's got 373 gears. The chances of breaking this rear end, pretty slim because my car's so light. Now, if you were in a heavier car, okay, maybe a little more, but weighing around 3,000 pounds, chances are I'm not going to break this rear end. So the rear's built, the trans is built, and we got the Coyote in, so this is a win, baby. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Keep it tuned right here for more epic content. I promise you will not believe what's coming. Later.